Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video is going to be something that I thought might be quite useful to some people. What the video is going to be is how I clean my lashes. So after you've worn them, usually after I wear them in the day, I can just peel the glue off. But once you wear them a few times in a row, you do get a bit of mascara and product build up on them, maybe some eyeshadow residue, and the glue does start to build up a little bit more if you don't peel it off properly. So today's video is just going to be me showing you how I wash my lashes. I'm going to show you my process with this pair here. As you can see, they've got some eyeshadow on and quite a bit of glue on. So you're going to need 2 cotton pads and some micellar water, and probably a cotton bud as well, or a cotton swab, whatever you call it. So the first thing I do is take my micellar water, cover the pad in micellar water, just like that, until it's nice and damp. I've got 2 here, which is perfect because we need 2 anyway. And then you're going to want to separate them, and then take your lashes and place them on the bottom cotton pad, just like this. And then you might want to coat the lashes with micellar water as well, just a little bit like this. And then take the cotton pad on the top, and then so the lashes are now in here. As you can see, I've just popped that one on top, and you're just going to want to probably take it between your 2 fingers and just squash them in. It's not going to ruin your lashes at all, it's just going to clean all the dirt off. So here's ones that I did a few minutes ago, and you're genuinely just going to leave it there for, I'd say 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes I even leave mine overnight, but yeah, leave it there. After you've left them for, I'd probably say about half an hour actually, what you can do is you can fold up the top cotton pad and just kind of brush the lashes. It's easier to do this when you're not holding the camera to film, of course, but just kind of do this on the lashes just to get, and then you can see all of the mascara and eyeliner and stuff on the bottom. So you can just do that, and then you're also going to want to peel off the glue, which I'm going to do off camera because I genuinely can't do it and hold the camera at the same time. So I'm going to do that now. It is also so much easier to peel the glue off, which I've just done once they're been in soak for a bit, because the glue literally just peels off so much easier. So now I've also done this with it. I'm going to brush them through with a spoolie. You might also want to just wet your cotton bud and just kind of, anywhere you have any eyeshadow on, you can just wash it off with a cotton bud. This is them back in their holder. As you can see, they're not perfect yet because they're not fully dry, but they look a hell of a lot cleaner and a hell of a lot better. And that's just literally the dead simple way that I clean my false lashes. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped, because it's just the easiest way that I find cleaning my false lashes. It's dead easy, and it's just the easiest thing to do, really. So please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.